So hello friends, welcome to this video. And we are going to talk about this Leetcode problem which says find mode in a binary search tree, which basically means we just need to find out the element which repeats the most number of times. Let us understand this problem by an example first. So if we have a tree something like this, speciality of this tree is that on the left hand side can be equal or smaller numbers. For example, 0. Here it can be 2 and so on. Here it can be 3, 2, again 3, such kind of elements in the binary. So what we need to do is we just need to traverse the binary tree. For traversing, it's simple. You can use pre-order, in-order, post-order and recursion. Okay, so how we are going to solve this problem? We are going to start from here. We're going to maintain a map. So for 1, it's coming first time, so its frequency will be 1. Then I'm going to go left, 0, frequency 1. Then I'm going to visit this, 2, frequency 1. Then I'm going to go to the right, this. So 3, frequency 1. Then to 2, the frequency changes to 2 because it had already occurred. So now let's go to 3 as frequency 2. Oh my god. So there are 2 elements which are repeating twice. So most number of times. So what we are going to do? We are going to return a vector with these 2 elements. So I hope you got the explanation to the problem, like what it means. I have the solution already, but we are gonna solve it again. So I'm gonna reset the code. Let's just code this. So first I'm gonna declare an unordered map. Then what we are going to do is call this temp function. Parameter of this function will be root and map. Let us declare this temp function. Return type is void. I'm gonna take a pointer of root and this thing, but like this. Okay. After this, if root is equal to null pointer, we're just gonna return. Otherwise, in root temp, we're gonna go on the left hand side. Left, and we're gonna pass the map. Then we are gonna check root if map of root val is equal to 0, and we need to change this also. It's a pointer, so we cannot use dots. If the element doesn't exist in the map, we will add the element with the frequency 1. Else what we are going to do, we are going to increment by 1. And after we finish this, we are going to do temp root of right map. So you're done with the temp function. After this function, map will be having the maximum frequencies. So what I'm going to do, declare a variable max, and then I'm going to loop over this. Loop over the map. Then I'm going to check if paired dot second greater than max is equal to p of second. So after this, in this I'm just going to find the maximum element, the element that has repeated maximum number of times. Then I'm going to declare a vector of int out. I'm going to again loop over the map. Then I'm going to check if p dot second is equal to max. I'm just going to add push back p dot first. So after this, I'm just going to return out. Let's run this code and check if we get the output. Yo, we are getting it. Yeah, so I've submitted this code. This is not the best code, but it's accepted. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a very, very, very wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.